This is going to blow your mind. Hey there, builders and creators. Welcome to a journey of innovation and creativity. Today we're diving into something that's close to my heart, design. More specifically, we're exploring PTC Creo, a game-changing software suite for product design and engineering. In the world of creation, the right tools can transform a good idea into a groundbreaking product. Creo is one of those tools, empowering designers and engineers to bring their visions to life with precision and efficiency. Whether you're crafting a sleek new smartphone, a revolutionary aircraft, or the next must-have kitchen gadget, Creo provides the tools to make it happen. It's a comprehensive suite of design and engineering applications that cover the entire product development process, from initial concept to manufacturing. This isn't just your average CAD software. Creo is about pushing boundaries, taking your ideas further than you ever thought possible. It's about turning dreams into reality, and that's a revolution I can definitely get behind. Remember the days of T-squares, drafting tables, and those giant rolls of paper? It feels like a lifetime ago. Back then, design was a hands-on analog affair, filled with the charm of manual craftsmanship. But let's be honest, it was incredibly time-consuming and limited in what you could achieve. Then came the digital revolution, ushering in the era of computer-aided design, or CAD. Suddenly designers could create, modify, and iterate with a precision and speed that was once unimaginable. As technology advanced, so did the demands on designers and engineers. Products became more complex, development cycles shortened, and collaboration became essential. Traditional CAD software, despite its advancements, started to show its limitations. Enter PTC Creo. Creo is the next generation of design software, built for a world where innovation is constant and complexity is the norm. It's about empowering designers and engineers with the tools they need to not just keep up, but to stay ahead of the curve. Ever wondered what makes PTC Creo stand out in the world of design software? Let's dive into its incredible power and versatility. Packed with features, PTC Creo is designed to streamline your entire design process. One standout feature is its parametric modeling engine. This allows you to create designs with intelligent relationships between different elements. Change one dimension, and the entire model updates automatically, saving you countless hours of rework. And let's not forget the three-dimensional CAD functionality. With Creo, you can create incredibly detailed and realistic 3D models of your products. Rotate, zoom, and manipulate these models in real time for unmatched control and visualization. But Creo isn't just a powerful design tool, it's also a collaboration platform. With built-in tools for sharing designs, tracking changes, and working concurrently with your team, Creo breaks down silos and fosters a more collaborative and efficient design process. Let's dive into the real game changer, the bottom line. PTC Creo isn't just about having the coolest design software on the block, though that's a sweet perk. It's about delivering tangible benefits that can revolutionize your entire business. At its core, Creo is all about efficiency. By automating tasks, streamlining workflows, and centralizing all design data, Creo empowers teams to work faster and smarter. This means shorter development cycles, quicker time to market, and a faster return on investment. But it's not just about speed, it's about working smarter. Creo's advanced features and intuitive interface let designers and engineers push the boundaries of innovation. This results in more innovative designs, higher product quality, and a competitive edge in the market. And let's not forget about cost savings. By reducing design errors, minimizing rework, and optimizing designs for manufacturability, Creo helps keep development costs in check. This translates to a healthier bottom line and a more profitable business. Welcome to Section 5, where we dive into the real-world magic of PTC Creo in action. PTC Creo isn't just a theoretical tool, it's the backbone of innovation for companies big and small, across diverse industries. From automotive giants to aerospace pioneers and consumer electronics leaders, Creo is shaping the world around us. Take the automotive industry, for example. Creo is behind the design of everything from sleek car bodies to intricate engine components. Its advanced surfacing capabilities let designers craft aerodynamic and visually stunning designs, while its simulation tools ensure these designs meet the highest safety and performance standards. In aerospace, Creo is the go-to for designing everything from lightweight aircraft components to advanced satellite systems. Its prowess in handling complex assemblies and simulating real-world conditions makes it indispensable for engineers pushing the limits of flight. And in consumer products, Creo is the secret behind ergonomic smartphones and innovative kitchen appliances. Its focus on user-centered design and photorealistic renderings makes it perfect for companies aiming to create products that are both functional and beautiful. Welcome to Section 6, where we dive into the success stories of companies thriving with PTC Creo. Imagine transforming your design process and achieving remarkable results. That's exactly what countless companies have done with PTC Creo. Let's start with Trek Bicycle Corporation, a global leader in high-performance bicycles. By embracing PTC Creo, Trek streamlined their design process, slashed development time, and launched new products faster than ever. Next up we have John Deere, the agricultural machinery powerhouse. John Deere leverages PTC Creo to design and develop their cutting-edge tractors, combines, and other machinery. With Creo's advanced simulation capabilities, John Deere engineers optimize their designs for peak performance, durability, and efficiency, ensuring their machines excel in real-world farming. These are just a few examples of how companies are gaining a competitive edge with PTC Creo. From small startups to global giants, PTC Creo is empowering businesses of all sizes to design and develop innovative products that meet the demands of today's dynamic market. Welcome to Section 7, where we dive into some essential tips for beginners getting started with PTC Creo. Ready to embark on your PTC Creo journey? That's awesome. At first glance, Creo might seem a bit overwhelming, but trust me, with the right mindset, it's incredibly user-friendly and rewarding. The key is to dive right in and start experimenting. Creo's interface is intuitive, and there are countless tutorials and resources online to guide you. One of the best ways to get the hang of Creo is by starting with a simple project. Try modeling something basic, like a cube or a cylinder. This will help you get comfortable with the basic tools and workflows. As you gain confidence, start exploring advanced features like surfacing, assembly modeling, and simulation. And remember, don't hesitate to ask for help. There's a vibrant community of Creo users out there, always ready to share their knowledge and expertise. Welcome to Section 8, where we dive into the treasure trove of resources available for PTC Creo users. Let's talk about online support and community. One of the standout features of Creo is the incredible online support. The community is buzzing with activity, ready to help you out. Need tutorials, forums, or just a spark of inspiration? It's all right there at your fingertips. Start with PTC's own website. It's a goldmine of information. From training courses to webinars and detailed documentation, PTC has you covered. Plus, there's a vibrant online community where you can connect, ask questions, and share your creations. Beyond PTC's resources, countless third-party websites and forums are dedicated to Creo. These sites are fantastic for finding tutorials, tips, and tricks from seasoned users. And don't forget YouTube. It's packed with tutorials from beginner basics to advanced techniques. Dive in and start learning. Welcome to the final chapter of our journey with PTC Creo, shaping the future of product design. We've explored how PTC Creo isn't just another CAD software, it's a revolutionary tool that's changing the game in product design and development. With its powerful features, user-friendly interface, and a thriving online community, Creo is enabling designers and engineers to push the limits of innovation, bringing their ideas to life faster and more precisely than ever before. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your design journey, dive into the world of PTC Creo. It's a powerful tool that can help you unleash your creativity, streamline your workflow, and elevate your designs to new heights. So, what are you waiting for? The future of design is here, and it's waiting for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content on the latest in product design and innovation. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Stay updated with the latest insights and tutorials. Hit that subscribe button and never miss out on our exciting content. Join our community today.